Understanding level of risk, an easy guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, level of risk. This is a term you might come across in various contexts, from finance to daily life decisions. So, let's break it down and understand what it truly means. Stay with us to enhance your English vocabulary and comprehension skills. Level of risk refers to the degree or extent of risk involved in a situation or activity. Risk, in simple terms, is the possibility of something bad happening. When we talk about the level of risk, we are discussing how likely it is for that bad thing to happen, and possibly, how severe the consequences could be. For example, crossing a busy street has a higher level of risk than crossing a quiet one. This phrase is used in various contexts. 1. Business and finance. Here, it often relates to investments or decisions. A high level of risk might mean a higher chance of loss but also a higher potential for profit. 2. Health and safety. In this context, it refers to the likelihood of harm or illness. For instance, smoking has a high level of risk for health issues. 3. Everyday decisions. Even in daily life, we assess the level of risk, like when deciding whether to carry an umbrella based on the risk of rain. Let's see some examples to understand it better. Investing in stocks is generally considered to have a higher level of risk than putting money in a savings account. The level of risk for heart disease increases with poor diet and lack of exercise. Before going on the hike, they evaluated the level of risk due to the weather conditions. Understanding the phrase, level of risk, can greatly enhance your comprehension of English, especially in more complex discussions. It's a useful term that applies to many aspects of life and business. We hope this video has been helpful in your journey to mastering the English language. Remember, learning a new language opens up a world of opportunities. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.